Inspired by a dream, 64-year-old man builds Shiva temple over 38 years. Not many tourists visiting Chail would know about the Stoned Kumbh Shiv Temple, perched on top of a peak in the Himachal Pradesh hill station. It is located in a serene spot, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and isn't very famous. The temple was built single-handedly, bit by bit, by 64-year-old Satya Bhushan over the last 38 years. According to Bhushan, he had started building the structure in 1980 on his ancestral property after seeing a Shiva temple in his dream. The shrine is also called Temple in My Dream. The words, made of twisted metal wires, can be seen atop the temple. Being made of solely cement and metal wires, the temple is colourless. Be it Shiva's dreadlocks, the snakes that circle his body, or even the marigold flowers used to give a decorative touch to the temple, everything is made of grey cement. The temple also has an underground cave. Bhushan earns his living from a small ancestral farm here, where he has grown some fruits and vegetables. Every day, he spends at least 4 hours at the temple, coming up with ideas for new statues and decorations. I dreamt of a temple in 1980 and there has been no looking back since. I had already learned making clay sculptures and wooden carvings during my school days, and was, in fact, made fun of by my classmates for studying arts in school. My dream gave me a platform and inspired me to make this temple. Initially, only locals knew about it. They came here and contributed funds. Till now, nearly 15 lakh rupees has been spent on its construction, which is still in process, says Bhushan. He says he never asked the government for help, but claims of building the 5-feet-high statue of Atal Bihari Vajpayee at the governor's house in Himachal Pradesh, back when Suraj Bhan was the governor of the state.